Who said it couldn't be done, guys? We are going to combine the power of your, well, yes, internet, whether it's connected via RJ45, UTP cable plus your Wi-Fi, to have double, triple, or quadruple the bandwidth. Do you want to see how we're going to do it? Stay until the end of this tutorial. Let's get started. That's right, friends. It's not the invention of the wheel or anything like that, and not even, well, mystical things or obviously witchcraft. It's simply possible to combine your two bandwidths, and this will obviously be very useful for you on a laptop or a desktop computer. And also, if you have 2 or 3 internet providers, you can somehow combine those bandwidths to have a complete one. So, super internet, right? Both download and upload. And we're going to do the following. For this, I'm going to show you what my internet speed is. If you notice, I'm currently connected via UTP cable. It goes directly and you can see the icon there. I'm going to click start. This is the speed I have with the cable. UTP, all right? Now I'm going to go directly to disconnect the cable. Check down here, directly the icon. I'm going to disconnect the cable. There it is. It tells me we don't have internet access. And now I'm going to connect via Wi-Fi. So you can see that I'm not going to cheat. No cheating, right? I'm going to connect to this network. I'm going to click connect. Very well. There I am connected to our Kira network, all right? Very well. Now I'm going to repeat this test. Remember, it was with the UTP cable. I'm going to go directly now from the cable, RJ45. Yes, rather to the Wi-Fi part. Let's go to speed test. Let's start. And they're clearly, well, I have an internet speed that's a bit lower, okay? So, now yes, we are going to combine both to have a more complete, more global, and much faster bandwidth, okay? Join me. You are going to go directly to your browser again, and we are going directly to this page that I will leave directly in our Discord group. It will come in a channel. Remember that all the links, materials, and tools, everything is in the Discord group. And also for all the support and interactivity or questions, the entire community is there, also in the WhatsApp group. Very well. Now, we are going to download directly this version that says 2010.0 LTSC, not the other one, as it has some issues. We are going to download this one, which is the most stable. Done. Once it is downloaded, we are going to click directly where it is nested in the downloads folder. I'm going to minimize this up, and it's an MSI file. So we will only need to right-click, open, or just double-click to execute the repository. Very well, I'll close this now. We are going to click the typical next, accept the license terms, next, done. This is where it will be saved in this directory. Do not move it, leave it exactly as it is there, please. Next. And we will click next again, or next, and install. Finish. Once the installation is complete, I will directly show what my control panel looks like. Okay? Let's go there. Directly to what concerns internet networks. And you can see that I still have, obviously, my Wi-Fi network and in the part of the adapters, right? It's activated and it's activated, okay? So you can see that we are not doing no magic here, all right? Well, I'm going to leave this here. I'll minimize it for now. Let's open what is our so-called CMD. Let's run it with administrator privileges, and we will go directly to a very, very specific path. Here we are going to type cd, CD, or and let's go directly to the repository of what is, if we press here. We have to select the folder that says Windows. So let's type cd, Windows, all right? And then cd. Well, here I can give it an SLS to clear the terminal. And again, let's go to the DR directory. We will have to go to a cd space. Press enter and we are there. Let's clear the terminal. SLS. And there it is. One is that we have this Windows system directory, 32, and you saw how we got there. It's really simple. Let's paste the command line that I will leave for you in one of the Discord channels. You just copy, right-click, copy, and paste it directly into the terminal. Press enter. Ready. You see, it's that easy, that simple. Then we move on to the next one. We go with the next command, right-click, copy, minimize, right-click, paste, enter. That's it. We move on to the last one, yes. Select the third one, right-click, copy, minimize, right-click to paste, and enter. Ready. That's all you're going to do. It comes out just like that, localhost 1080. And we're going to put them in the following. We're going to minimize and go directly here to where it says our search, our Windows magnifying glass, and we're going to type Internet Options. We're going to click on Open, and once inside there, we're going to go to the tab that says Connections, LAN Settings, to this section here. Proxy server. We click here on Advanced Options. Here, where it says SOCKS, we're going to enter the parameter localhost, and here the port that symbol gave us, system. It gave it to us here. You saw localhost 1080, and that's the one I'm going to put here. Write it correctly, yes, because if not, it will give you an error. We're going to click accept, or accept, accept, and now yes. Let's go back to our browser here. Remember that the first tab or the second was my UTP ILO connection, which came through a 45 drag cable, and the other came through Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to open a third tab. Let's put speed test again, and click on start. Voila guys, just like that, we easily have and combine the two bandwidths. Well, here, because it has increased a little for me, the internet bandwidth, because it's fully squeezing through what is essentially a load balancer. Even if we don't have it, you could say in a virtualized way, which is a proxy, and it's adding what we have or what we previously had, along with this. Did you see? It's the advantage of having our laptops with Wi-Fi and UTP cable, or our desktop computers also with an additional Wi-Fi. Try it. Tell me what you think of this video tutorial. And if you also want me to keep teaching you things like this or of this nature in the networking area. Without further ado, I invite you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give it a like if you liked it, and also please, I invite you to join our group of experts. That's right, the Machi Group, a hub of internet experts in our Discord and WhatsApp groups. See you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye-bye.